Black holes are invisible. They don't emit light, they swallow everything around them, and their gravity is so intense that not even photons escape. So how do scientists detect something that cannot be seen? Today, we explore the brilliant techniques scientists use to see the unseeable. Imagine trying to find a completely dark object floating in a dark ocean. Impossible, right? But if that object pulls waves, disturbs the water, or sucks nearby things toward it, you notice the effects. Black holes work exactly the same way. Scientists detect how they influence their surroundings: stars, gas, light, even space-time. We see the footprints, not the feet. One of the clearest signs of a black hole is a star orbiting an invisible object. This is how we discovered the black hole at the center of our galaxy. Sagittarius astronomers tracked a star called S2 for 16 years. It was moving insanely fast, over 17 million kilometers per hour, and orbiting something with huge gravity. But nothing was there. No star, no planet. Just a giant invisible mass. Only a black hole could explain that. When gas or dust falls into a black hole, it doesn't fall straight in. It spirals, forming a hot disk called an accretion disk. This disk can reach millions of degrees, so hot that it emits X-rays. These X-rays are detectable by space telescopes like Chandra X-ray Observatory, XMM Newton, NuSTAR. So if scientists see a mysterious, powerful burst of X-rays coming from an empty region of space, that's a strong signal. A black hole is feeding. In 2015, humanity detected something incredible for the first time: ripples in the fabric of space-time. These were caused by two black holes merging. The LIGO Observatory measured these tiny waves, smaller than a proton, and confirmed Einstein's prediction from 100 years ago. These waves tell scientists how massive the black holes were, how far away the collision happened, how fast they were spinning. We didn't see the black holes merge. We felt the universe shake because of them. Black holes warp space so strongly that light curves around them. This is called gravitational lensing. If scientists notice a star's light bending oddly around an invisible object, it means something extremely massive is sitting there. Sometimes we even see multiple copies of the same star, a cosmic optical illusion created by the black hole's gravity. This bending of light is another powerful clue. In 2019, the world saw something historic: the first ever image of a black hole, the one in galaxy M87. We didn't photograph the black hole itself. We photographed the glowing ring of hot gas around it, that bright circle with a dark shadow in the middle. The image was created by the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of radio telescopes across the Earth working together as one giant planet-sized telescope. This is how far science has come. We can now see the silhouette of the most mysterious objects in the universe. Scientists detect black holes using star motion, X-rays, gravitational waves, light bending, and direct imaging. Black holes may be invisible, but their power is impossible to hide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space stories.